Wow, a big bubble. Hi everyone, this is Ramamsan and you're watching on Innovative channel. So today it is so hot and summer has came. I am having a pineapple and strawberry mixed flavor with vanilla, and in the top we are going to add some chocolate chip. And how many of you like chocolate chip, vanilla, strawberry, pineapple flavor? Comment below. What is your favorite flavor? Comment below. Are you ready for the summer? Delicious. Okay, today we are going to see how to make Center Fresh slime. So let's get started. Hi, so to make this Center Fresh slime, we need some more Center Fresh. How many of you like Center Fresh? Comment below. You can have in a while, okay? So let's get started. I'm only going to make it with 3. Okay, these 3. And do you know that in Center Fresh inside there will be a paste? It is an edible paste. I'm just taking only 3, but afterwards I will eat the remaining later. So this is not an edible one. If you want to do an edible, you can just add some water and you can eat it. But I'm going to add some bees, dimki, like that. Okay? So I'm gonna like that. So now to this, let's add some little bit of water. I had to take this amount of water. Let's mix it. Now you can see the paste. Yuck. If it is hot water, it is so easy to mix. But I will not do that. I am having so much of time, so I will make it. If you want to put some color, you can, but I will not. So after 5 minutes, I will knead it with my hand. Wow, it's like a mozzarella cheese. Hello cheese. Time you are kneading, the slime will come very long, like this. It's edible, but I'm going to add some beads like that. So to make this crunchy sand, we can add some Jimkees, thermocol balls. You can add anything. I'm going to add some Jimkees today. Hope you liked my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye. I love souffle very much. And I like to eat it. Yummy. It is very, very good for your health. It is good for your heart. So here is the shout out. Hi Anvi, hi Suhani, hi Trisha, hi Pinky, hi Persia, hi Kavya, hi Sadhana, hi Rishita, hi Namita, hi Swastikaskri, hi Nimalan, hi Nakshita, hi Vanshika, hi Manisha, hi Tamilini, hi Hajira, hi Akshya Sandy. Hi Akshya Sandy. Hi Sati. Hi Subhasri. Hi Varnika. Hi. Shoo. Hi Divya. Hi Apurva. Hi Krisha. So that's all of our today's video shout out. So if you want name shout out, comment below. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.